Nature of Kerala. Please subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon to get new video updates. Kerala is famous for its natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and unique dishes. Kerala is a beautiful state in southwest India that is home to countless tree plantations, gorgeous beaches, and backwaters. With its rich cultural legacy, environmentally conscious travel, and well-known Ayurvedic practices, Kerala, which translates as the land of the coconut trees, is also referred to as God's own country. It covered an area of 38,863 square kilometers. Kerala is one of India's smallest states in terms of land area. It makes up only 1.3% of India's total land area. In terms of area, it is the 21st largest state in India. Kerala is home to 14 districts that are abundant in scenic beauty. Depending on its geographic location, climate, rainfall, soil, and natural resources, it is extremely green. Kerala is a country that is sandwiched between the Arabian Sea in the west and the tall hill ranges of the Sahyadris in the east. In terms of Kerala's borders, Wayanad district is regarded as the greenest of the 14 districts. We obtain our food, air, and water for crop irrigations from our forests, rivers, oceans, and soils. In addition, they provide us with an abundance of other goods and services that are essential to our prosperity, happiness, and well being. Kerala is renowned for its stunning hill towns as well. A few well-liked hill stations are Thekadi, Wayanad, and Munnar. The places in Kerala was an incredibly stunning sight to behold, and Alpi backwaters are referred to as the Venice of the East. The stunning topography includes beaches like Kovalam, Varkala, and Kapad, hills, valleys, waterfalls, and rainforest. Kerala culture can be seen in its food, outfits, artwork, and dance. In Kerala, all religions are united by love and happiness. God's own country is well renowned for having an abundance of natural landmarks and scenery. Thanks for watching.